The whole process starts on the slaughter line, in the dressing area where the abdominal walls are removed, along with the green or white viscera, and they go to the gut room, where, as you can see here, they're opened and separated, and the manure is removed. And the manure part, well, it's dropped into these pneumatic cannons to then be transported by pressure to the area of, let's say, either unusable viscera or the rumen part, which is obviously discarded for whatever use they want to give it. The pneumatic slide gate closes the pressure system. And now it's pushed through the pipe, you can see there. It's discharged into its tank.